can actually place it right there. I'm gonna a little bit smaller. It gets smaller up at the top. Corner. Keep it hydrated, kids. Keep it hydrated. Cheers. First, I have to black this out. I don't want any light to go through like a little tiny crack, so I'm gonna put like a black cloth. Don't have here, so I have to go up and get it. But since this is magic, all I'm gonna do is go like. Got the Dubatine. Let's black this place out. There we go. So we're blacked out here, and what I'm going to be doing next is going over the corner and putting a little board so that it can help me hold the board in place while I screw it on this side, and then we'll screw it in as we go. These screws that I got, maybe the worst ever. Yeah. I think the ones that are these, I got these because I wanted them to be flush. You'll see what the plan was, but this should be able to hold that for now. Let's see. These are the situations that happen when you are working by yourself. I tried using the little piece of wood to hold it up, but I instead opted for a tripod with some tape and a number 2 spring clamp. That was my helping hand, and I was able to put these 2 screws in. This board is very warpy. It's warps in one direction, obviously. It's a big warp, so I gotta push it in order for it to hit the actual metal. But also I just need longer screws. These were able to catch on, but I will change them to the right size. Yeah, I just need longer screws. So, continue on. But the first board is up. Woohoo! well, it's not up, but the first board is sort of up. It's the beginning of this board. All right, I'll see you guys a little bit later on. So someone asked, what are you drinking in that heat? What do you keep in the cup? That's what I do. It's so hot in South Florida. What I do is I get a bottle of water and I freeze half of it. And then when I'm really thirsty, I have half ice and half cold water. That. Woo, woo. It's too hot out there.